It's time to start.
Rock concert movement number 1. The basic head bob. Ready, go. Rock concert movement number 2. The one-armed fist pump. Ready, go. In a moment, it will be time to execute rock concert movement number 3, the up and down jumping motion. Here are your instructions. Step 1, bend your knees and then jump into the air. Step 2, let gravity bring you back down, and upon landing, rock your head forward. Step 3, repeat. Ready, go.